See to it that no one takes you captive by philosophy and empty deceit, according to human tradition. This includes anything not found in the Bible. Nothing in the New Testament should be accepted if it isn't directly supported by the Old Testament. While infant baptism is a wonderful pledge to the gospel message, it must never replace the gospel itself, according to the elemental spirits of the world, and not according to Christ. Elemental spirits are the rebellious sons of God who took human wives, created the Nephilim, and caused the flood. Following the rebellion at the Tower of Babel, these same rebellious sons of God attempted to consume Christ at the Crucifixion. Let no one disqualify you, insisting on asceticism. Paul gives a stark warning against practices such as Lent and the denial of foods or the flesh. He identifies those who forbid marriage and restrict diets as teaching the doctrines of demons. Should you participate in these practices or follow those who do? And worship of angels, specifically praying to the saints. This is considered worship in God's eyes, and you should have no other gods besides the Lord God. Going on in detail about visions, these refer to demonic apparitions. You may ask, what about when angels speak to us? True spirits of God do not appear as local inhabitants. God does not change appearances as a way to garner credence. There is only one God who rules from one mountain, Mount Zion, forever, just as he swore, puffed up without reason by his sensuous mind. This involves ritualizing religion, such as the Eucharist. Paul condemns the need to have the senses validate one's faith, and not holding fast to the head. This is the belief that the Church, rather than God, is the pathway to salvation, or that Jesus is confined within the Church. This is a satanic inversion, turning on earth as it is in heaven into in heaven as it is on earth. Furthermore, claiming one must belong to a specific denomination for salvation is a clear example of failing to hold fast to the head, from whom the whole body, nourished and knit together through its joints and ligaments, grows with a growth that is from God. Only those who hold fast to Christ truly grow. Colossians 2:18-19.